recently detected COVID-19 variant in the country. The Health Ministry believes the new variant is more transmissible and responsible for the current surge in new infections. Last night, over 7,000 new cases were recorded, as Noma Bolani tells us.
Nigeria is the second country to impose travel restrictions from South Africa. This follows an announcement made by the United Kingdom last week. Minister Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma says government is attending to this issue.
International travel is allowed. Nothing has changed except for those countries that are not allowing South Africans or are not wanting to travel to South Africa. But in terms of the South African regulations, people can still travel internationally, and international travelers can still come to South Africa if they keep to the protocols, like having a certificate that is not older than 72 hours, and so on and so on. And of course, DECO and other relevant departments are engaging with the countries that have stopped South Africa, traveling to and from South Africa.
More countries have detected the variant similar to the one found in South Africa, the latest being Japan. This is being attributed to people who've been in the country recently, returning back to their homes. Health Minister Zweli Mkhize says they'll continue to conduct more research on the variant.
We have not contacted all those countries that have imposed a travel ban. We are going to engage some of the ministers, particularly in the UK, just to discuss their approach on the matter. However, we noticed that these strains are appearing in many countries. As I was sitting here, we have seen there was a report around Japan, but we also had there's a report around another one emerging in Brazil. Some of them might be related to the variants we're seeing in South Africa. Some already, about 10 countries, were said to be having the same strain as in the UK. Our sense is that from our scientists that the variants are likely to arise in different countries, even if they're unrelated, because it's the same virus that's got a tendency to break into some kind of mutation. And so we hope that with time we will be able to get a general approach.
The World Health Organization has commended South Africa for being transparent and called on countries not to punish the United Kingdom and South Africa for revealing their variants. Noma Bolani, SABC News.